What's up, guys? We just got an insane new project. The owner drove way too fast in the rain and completely destroyed the front end. Airbags deployed, parts everywhere, but we're going to give this car a second chance. Let's get to work. First up, tearing off this smashed hood. Ripping off the fenders. This crash beam is totally stuck, so we're going full fussy to get it out. Now, the hardest part, dropping the entire engine and getting this beast onto the frame machine. It takes crazy effort, but bringing a wrecked car back to life makes it 100% worth it. Stick around to see the magic happen. Let's go. Look at this, both frame rails are completely off. It looks terrifying right now, but you gotta trust the process. everything is perfectly aligned. Time to weld it all back together. Precision and patience are everything here. And we are laying down epoxy primer and seam sealer, so this car outlasts us all. No rust, no leaks, just pure perfection. Time for some fresh paint. Chassis parts. In engine, dropped in. Radiator, good to go. Time to tackle the inside, dropping a brand new dashboard in right now. Mechanics are done. Now for the most satisfying part, putting the body back together. Hood, fenders, and the absolute best part, snapping on that shiny new emblem. Bumper is on. Sound insulation is in. We are in the home stretch. If you're still watching, you are an absolute legend. We just took a completely totaled car and brought it back to 100% health. You wouldn't even know it was in a crash. It just proves that with enough hard work and dedication, you can fix almost anything. Did we miss a spot? Let me know in the comments. If you love epic transformations, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to support the channel. See you guys in the next one.